In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add songs to an empty playlist on Spotify. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your playlist that is empty. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Okay, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your playlist, and you can easily go to the empty playlist by tapping on your library here. And here it is. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see I have here two playlists, this and this. However, this first playlist I've just created some few minutes ago, and if you go ahead and open it, you can see it is empty. To start adding songs to this playlist, it is quite simple. There are two ways you can do it. First, from here, you can just go ahead and tap on add to this playlist, and when you do it, you can go ahead and search for your song or identify if it is on this list. Just go ahead and tap on the plus icon to add it. If you want to add a song that you just listened to recently, you can swipe this and it will take you to the recently played songs. And now you can choose from here by tapping on the song like this, and it will be added to the local songs or to that playlist that you just created. And now if I go back, you can see now we have one song added to this playlist. Alternatively, to add a song on this playlist, you can do it also from the menu here, and all you need to do is to go ahead and identify any song that you so wish to add. For instance, if I go ahead and tap on this, you can see we have quite a number of songs here. To add them or to add any of the songs, you can just tap on any of the songs and then go ahead and tap on add to playlist. Now this will take you to the list of playlists you have. Choose the one you want to add. I want to add to this local songs playlist. I'll go ahead and tap on it and then done. And now if I go back to the playlist, you can see I have now two songs. So that's how you add songs to an empty playlist. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.